when we were moving out of the house, I didn't really care that we were moving out, you know, because like who cares? What I really cared about is the fact that my bookshelf area was going to be torn down and that I have to build it all over again in a new space, in a new house. And I really love that space that I had in that old house. It was the first space that I had created. Before that, like when I was in the older house, before that house, even though I did have an Instagram account, I did not have a YouTube channel. So I would shoot the videos with like the bed in the background and I did not really care. And before that, I did not even have like a proper bookshelf. All of that stuff had happened in this house. I will link the bookshelf area creation video in the description. You can check it out. And I loved that space, you know. It was not only like a beautiful space, I just had a lot of emotional connection with it, and that was the tough part when I was moving out. Now the other thing is that this bookshelf is not really move friendly. So first of all, I am keeping way more books than I should on this bookshelf. I have to get a new bookshelf for myself because like it's reaching its capacity. When we moved, it's not the best for this shelf. So right now it's like wobbly and I am somehow, you know, doing work with it, but I can get a new bookshelf for sure. However, after 10,000 struggling moments in the new house as to where this bookshelf is going to go, because there is not enough space in my bedroom. Now in my bedroom there would be enough space, but my brother lives with me, so his bed is there beside my bed, the place where the bookshelf would go generally. So that's the reason this couldn't be in my bedroom. So there's this spare room in this house which is more like a storage room. Like you're seeing the good side, yeah, that other side has like all cartons and shit because we've still not opened some of the cartons. And so we decided that this was the only place that has ample amount of sunlight and the lighting is good over here, and we get a corner over here for myself. That's the reason I decided to put the bookshelf in this room. Hey you guys, welcome back to Living Review. I have been doing very nice. I'm sending a lot of hugs and positivity to all of you. In today's video, we are going to be remaking my bookshelf. As you can see, it is behind me. One of the slabs, the nuts are missing, which I will have to go and get. But apart from that, the bookshelf is here. This is my new house. I am setting it right now. It is a mess, all my books. But yeah, even I am a mess. But anyways, when I was setting my bookshelf on that day, I was like in this whole other mind space because I was really tensed. I was overwhelmed with the work that I had to do, and I was overwhelmed with all the projects that I had taken on already, like the reviewing projects and everything. And I was like, oh my god, I have to get this done as soon as possible so that I can start shooting, because I miss shooting. You know, shooting is not only my work, it is something that makes me feel even more alive. It is my form of expression. And I was like, oh my god, I have to do it. Like you can see it on my face. I'm like dead tired that day. The packers, they have packed the books in a way where most of my genres are kept together. So right now I have divided them in the different sections they are in, and I think we have books from one shelf over here, so we're gonna put it over there. Right, I have no memory of what my bookshelf looked like, and now it's like I don't know where to keep the books. How were they kept? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this carton also, and then I'm going to settle all the books at once. With only those books out, I'm not able to understand how to set them and where they will go and everything, and I need to make sure that all my books are fitting in the bookshelf. So that day was so tiring, and I was really happy with the small win I had, that is like at least setting up this bookshelf enough. After that, I got the stickers like way later. Not just that, the bookshelf was over there, like it was straight, because of which I did not get the proper angle. That is the reason I decided to move this bookshelf into like more of a cornery space, so that I get this diagonal, is this called diagonal, like a corner, and I just checked. if I'm doing this angle or even like an angle from farther away, if I put this over here, you can see more of the books and stuff. And on the other hand, if I'm doing this angle and I stand over here, so like here, we can put this from the top, from here, yeah. And this looks yum, doesn't it? Okay, this is like this and like this. Even like I'm standing with a dude, and even if it goes farther away and I do this, still looks real nice. That took way more time than I thought, and that was a terrible job, but it's done. Now I'm gonna put my, I'm like, hey guys, welcome back to the review. I tried, but this one is definitely not a 1% job. I already think that I have ruined the other sticker. For now, this seems great. Great. My bookshelf looks pretty and it's at a good angle. This is nice. I can be front, I can be back. We can go a little more further and it will still look pretty. We can come a little in. How will I do that? Yeah, like this, it'll still look pretty. It looks nice, doesn't it? I am planning on getting like either a bean bag or a sitting chair, like a reading chair for this area. I think it's gonna look real pretty and I'm gonna go real crazy with that chair, but we'll see to that. But for now, this is all that I want to do. I think that my bookshelf area is finally ready. What do you guys think? Does it look pretty enough? I wanted kind of like a contradiction, you know, because this side is like so colorful. I wanted this side to be black and white. Not just that, I'm actually also like in this room itself probably getting like frames over here and stuff. So this will be the angle sometimes when I shoot and I'll be here. At that time also, I want this side to be like black and white, you know, for different moods, because I have different moods all the time. But yeah, I think this looks great. So happy. I have to change my shooting schedule now because the sun timing is like the sunlight timing is different over here. I think that the prime shooting time over here is going to be between like 1 to 3, which is like my lunch time. That is the one thing that is changing. Secondly, I really like this contrast that I have made, which is completely colorful on this side and completely black and white on this side. It is so like me because I have both the sides within myself, and I love this sticker. I don't really think I've done the best job sticking it, because if you see from far away, it looks a little teta. But I still feel so grateful. It is going to take time for me to get used to it, like get used to shooting in this space, get used to shooting again actually, because I've not shot since such a long time. But a lot of amazing content is coming up for you guys, which is listed out already. And now that the space is ready, I'm gonna start shooting that content. So yeah, I don't know how this video was. I shot it alone, so please like bear with me. Like I did my best, obviously. That is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you are as excited as me to explore this new space and shoot over here. And that is it. I'm gonna see you guys very, very soon.